Tradification Hub, episode P-Traps and Plumbing Power-Ups. Welcome back, or welcome for the first time to the Tradification Hub. I am your guide on the journey to self-reliance, practical mastery, and building your very own bridge to freedom. Here at GSU, we believe true empowerment comes from competence, from knowing how things work, and from being able to fix them yourself. Today, we're diving hand-first into a topic many people shy away from, but one that is absolutely foundational to a functioning home: plumbing basics, and specifically, mastering the mighty P-trap. You know that curvy pipe under your sink? It's not just there for looks, folks. It's a silent guardian, and by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly why and how to conquer it. So let's talk about plumbing. It sounds intimidating, right? All those pipes, water pressure, potential leaks, but honestly, it's a system of logical connections. Think of it like this: water comes in, serves its purpose, and then it needs to go out. Plumbing is simply the organized path for that journey. The biggest mistake people make is thinking plumbing is some kind of dark art only master plumbers understand. Not true. Basic plumbing is tradition, a skill passed down, often made overly complex by those who profit from your ignorance. We're here to demystify it. Now, for our star of the show, the P-trap. Take a moment, go to your kitchen or bathroom, open the cabinet under the sink, and look. See that U-shaped bend in the pipe just below the drain? That's your P-trap. Why is it called a P-trap? Well, because if you look at it from the side, it kind of looks like a P lying on its side. Simple enough, right? But why is it so important? This is where the magic happens. That U-bend isn't just a quirky design choice. It's designed to hold a small amount of water all the time. This water acts as a literal barrier, a plug, and a seal. And what does it seal against? Sewer gases. Without that water barrier, noxious, foul-smelling, and potentially harmful gases from the sewer system would waft right up your drain and into your home. Imagine the smell. Imagine the health implications. The P-trap is your first, best line of defense against the stench and dangers of the underworld. It also catches things. Dropped a ring down the drain? Lost an earring? Often they'll sit right there in the P-trap, waiting for you to rescue them. It's also where hair and other debris often collect, causing clogs. Which leads us to P-trap installation mastery, your watch before you do breakdown. We've got a fantastic 3D animated guide on our Tradification Hub over at globalsovereignuniversity.org that visually breaks this down. But let's walk through the fundamentals right now so you're mentally prepared to tackle it. Identify the components. Under your sink, you'll typically have the tailpiece coming down from the drain, connecting to the P-trap, which has a U-shaped bend, the J-bend, and then the waste arm, which goes into the wall. Tools you'll need. This isn't rocket science. A bucket, crucial for catching water, slip joint pliers or channel locks, maybe a flathead screwdriver for some older models, and a utility knife if you need to trim any pipe. That's it. Removal, if replacing. First, turn off the water to the sink. Seriously, don't skip this. Place that bucket directly under the P-trap. Loosen the slip nuts, those big plastic or metal rings, on either side of the P-trap. They're usually hand-tightened or just need a gentle turn with pliers. Carefully detach the P-trap. Expect some water to spill out. That's normal. It's the water seal doing its job. Installation, the fun part. Make sure all your parts are clean and free of old debris or worn washers. New washers are your best friend here. Slide the new slip nuts and washers onto the pipes, tailpiece and waste arm, in the correct direction. Connect the J-bend of the P-trap to the tailpiece. Connect the other end of the P-trap, the waste arm, to the pipe going into the wall. Hand tighten all the slip nuts first. This ensures everything is aligned and seated properly. Then, with your pliers, give each nut about a quarter to half a turn more. Don't over-tighten. You can crack plastic pipes or strip threads, leading to leaks. It should be snug, not gorilla tight. Testing for leaks. Turn the water back on slowly. Fill the sink and then let it drain completely. Watch every connection point closely. Run your finger along the joints. Any drips? If so, identify the leaky nut and tighten it gently until the drip stops. See? Not so scary, is it? It's a series of deliberate steps, and once you've done it, you've not only solved a problem, but also leveled up your self-reliance. You've earned another Tradification badge. So, beyond the P-trap, what are some other plumbing power-ups, some other basics you should know? Know your shutoff valves. Every sink, toilet, and major appliance has a local shutoff valve. Know where they are and how to turn them off. In an emergency, this can save you from a flooded home. There's also a main water shutoff for your entire house. Definitely know where that is. Don't treat your drains like a trash can. This is simple but crucial. Grease, coffee grounds, hair, and dental floss, they all lead to clogs. Use drain strainers. Be mindful. Your P-trap and your wallet will thank you. Hot water heater basics. Know where your hot water heater is. Understand its basic function. Know how to turn it off in an emergency or how to drain it for maintenance. Simple leak detection. A small drip can lead to huge problems. If you suspect a leak, look for water stains or mold, or listen for dripping sounds. Early detection saves thousands. In the Tradification Hub, we're not just about fixing pipes. We're about fixing mindsets. We're about recognizing that mastery over the physical world, whether it's a P-trap, a circuit board, or a balance sheet, is a form of true freedom. It makes you indispensable to yourself, your family, and your community. So head over to globalsovereignuniversity.org and check out the Tradification Hub. Look for the P-trap Installation Mastery Visual Guide. Watch it before you do it. Gain the knowledge, build the competence, and then go out there and conquer your world, one P-trap at a time. That's it for this episode of the Tradification Hub. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep building those bridges to freedom.